Are you looking for a way to give your children the best start in life? At STDS AI Vision, we specialize in creating ideal home and marriage life environments that can help your children reach their full potential. Our services are designed to track the family environment and provide positive guidance. We believe that life should be an enjoyable, fun and learning experience, and our goal is to make sure your family has access to the best resources available. At STDS AI Vision, we understand the importance of providing the right environment for your children to grow and develop. We are committed to helping your family create a positive atmosphere that will enable your children to reach their goals and contribute to society in the best way possible. Join us at STDS AI Vision and give your children the wings to fly. We believe in creating an environment where families can thrive and reach their goals together. Let us help you create the best possible life for your family.